Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Unloyal. The song is Unloyal, the artist is Summer Walker and Ari Lennox, and the choreography is the legend B-LUV Bernadette. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in a step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it. So, I want you to look at this video again. And know that the expression on my face, I kind of like paused and messed up a little bit, but guess what? I kept going. So that's what I want you to do. I could have recorded this video and show you the perfection, but I don't want to do that. I want to show you that you always have to think while you're on your feet. When you mess up, keep going, okay? That is Unloyal. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.